What's going on, insiders? It's Harrison here with the rapid rundown version of the July price list update summary. There are 60 new line items this month, so let's jump in. The first two line items are in the DOR door category for interior Dutch doors. We have a slab only line item and a pre hung unit line item. We also have a new WTR line item, CSVS, for remove polyethylene vapor barrier in the for category 3 losses. We have two new WTR line items around tearing out vinyl flooring, no bagging. We have a new line item in the HVC category, ACRP top for a central air condenser repair fan blade guard and motor. We have five new line items in the FEN category, ECS, ECW, and an E-wire option around electric fence chargers and electric fence wire. We have four new line items in the LND landscaping category around landscape steps made out of precast stone. And lastly, an EQC line item, SNC2 for a commercial sign, cabinet only, double face. Be sure to tune in to the full priceless update summary video later this month, where we talk about these 16 new line items, how to use them, and all of the changes to the existing line items in Xactimate in July 2024. Thank you.